Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to change the language on TikTok. Whether you're trying to learn a new language or just prefer using TikTok in your native language, this guide will walk you through the steps. Let's get started. First, open the TikTok app on your smartphone. By opening the TikTok application on the home page, go to your profile in the lower right corner of the screen and click on the profile. Then on the next page, in the upper right corner, click on the three lines. A small window will open where you will scroll down to the setting and privacy option and click on it. Then look for the language option in the drop-down menu and click on it. This is where the magic happens. In the settings and privacy menu, scroll down until you find app language. Touch it. You will see a list of available languages. Scroll through the list and select the language you want to switch to. TikTok will then apply the changes and update the app's language. And that is that. You have successfully changed the language on TikTok. Now you can enjoy your videos in your preferred language. If this guide helped you, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.